how to execute a stop loss with Fidelity App. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to execute a stop loss and the different types of stop loss with the Fidelity App. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead.
Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dice, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely, you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So right here, you're logged into your app, your Fidelity app. So what you're going to do is hit that little hourglass, and you can go to any stock you want. Right now, I have Apple pulled up. But you can go to any stock you want to go to. Now that I have Apple pulled up, now what you're going to do is go to trade. Hit that big green button that says trade. Now when you get below trade, what you're going to end up doing is you're going to, of course, say you want to buy, put in how many shares you want to buy. Let's say if you want to buy one share or whatever. Now it gets down here to order type. When it gets to order type, right below order type, you're going to go to more trade selections. See that little in the blue that says more trade selections? Click on that. Now, when you get to more trade selections, now you go back to order type, you click on order type, and voila, you have stop loss. So stop loss, this is pretty much when you click on this, you says, hey, if Apple hits this price, stop it. For prime example, Apple is trading at 119, and you can put in a stop loss at 115, meaning that if Apple hits 115, sell my shares. Now, the next one is a stop limit. A stop limit, when you click on stop limit, it's going to say, hey, when Apple hits 115, sell for this price or buy for this price. So for prime example, when you hit a stop limit, you notice if I click here, I have to put in my stop price. Let's say if it's 115, then below that, I have to put in what the price that I want to buy it at or sell it at or whatever. So it says once it hits this price, I want you to do this. That's what stop limit means. Then the next one is a trailing stop $, meaning that as long as the stock going up, stay with it. But I may put my trail amount at $5. As long as Apple stock is going up, but if it drops more than $5, sell it, right? Stop limit percentage. Hey, you can put in 5%, meaning that as long as Apple is going up, it's fine. But if it drops 5%, sell it. Now this is a stop limit $. This means that hey, going back again, Apple is going up by $5. If Apple drops more than $5, do this with this amount. So you have to, when you have a limit, you have to put in an exact amount. Follow Apple as long as it's going up, but if it drops more than $5, sell it for $110, however you want it. Then trailing stop limit percentage. This means the exact same thing, but with percentages. As long as it's going up by 5%, that's fine. But if it drops 5%, as long as it's going up, cool. But if it drops 5%, sell it for this particular price. And you can click on that, and that's when the limits and the percentages and things like that. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing, but that's how you can execute a stop loss order right inside of the Fidelity app. All right. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me doing around the globe, my name is Prince Dykes. This is the Investor Show. Peace. Be safe. I'm out.